Welcome to another video by WA Courses. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to add some images into our Excel spreadsheets, mostly for presentation purposes. So we have this spreadsheet. We want to make it a little bit more attractive. One thing we could do is add a background. How do we do this? From the Page Layout tab, in the Page Setup group, we will click on Background, the Background button here. So let's click on it. Now, I can choose to insert a background image from my computer, or I can search online or from OneDrive. Let's search for an image. Let's search for customers. Creative Commons only. Okay, let's click on this one and insert. It takes a few seconds to load. And here it is, my background image. Now, as you can see, this was not very successful because now it's quite hard to read some of my data. So be careful when you are choosing a background picture, what image you choose, because you want your data to be visible. Now you can see as I go down, the background image repeats itself. It doesn't just end, it repeats the image over and over. Okay, let's undo this and try a different background. Let's choose from a file. Okay. So now my data is more visible. Another thing we could do to make our spreadsheet more attractive in a presentation would be to add an image. Let's click on this cell. Go to the Insert tab and click on Illustrations. I'd like to insert a picture. From this device, let's insert. Okay, I have inserted my image. Of course, I can resize the image. I would like it to fit in the first cell. And there we are. So perhaps an image would be a better option rather than a background, because you can resize it and you can place it wherever you like on your spreadsheet. Of course, by selecting the image, we have the Picture Format tab, which allows us to make any changes we want to our picture and format it as we like. That was the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.